Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be comparing the iRobot Roomba Vac 2 Essential with the iRobot Roomba Combo 2 Essential. Take a look at both products right here. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description. Starting up at the top, we have the same product literature, but you'll notice on the Roomba Vac 2 Essential, we have an extra air filter here. Both have the same 1-year warranty. Very similar retail boxes and packaging. They both have the same AutoEmpty base with charging. There's no noticeable differences. Both come with a vacuum bag already installed in the same multi-purpose cleaning tool. On the Roomba Combo 2 Essential, you do have an included drip tray that you can install if you want to use that, since this is a mopping vacuum. But look at everything else right here from the top. Same buttons, controls, same design, same form factor. There's nothing different that you could distinguish between the two looking at the top. The difference happens underneath. So on our Roomba Vac 2 Essential right here, there's no mopping pad on the dustbin, whereas we have a detachable mopping pad for our Roomba Combo 2 Essential. So there's the difference right here. It just comes down to the dustbin. This one's going to have the water tank with it, and you get the mop pad right here. Obviously, for the Roomba Vac 2 Essential, there's no mopping functionality. So you don't get the drip tray, no drip tray there, and no mop pad that you get with the combo unit, which is the 2 Essential. Now here's a look at both dustbins removed. For those interested, you can swap the dustbins. They fit physically within each other, so they're the exact same form factor and design, but again, looking at them from the top, you'll notice we have our water inlet there where we can fill up the water tank on this unit. But if we open them up, no difference in capacity or anything like that. So they just make use of the sides right here to fill the tank and store the water. And it's just dead space on the other unit. And again, on the underside here, this is where we attach the mop pad. And this is where the water is going to be fed to drip onto the mop pad itself. That's absent from the other tank. There's the mop pad, and again, it just snaps right in place like that. So key difference is this is a mopping unit, so we have the water tank with mop pad and drip tray for the station. This is a vacuum unit. This doesn't have mopping, drip tray, mop pad, or any of that, but you pick up an extra air filter for your vacuuming.